Welcome to the effort of XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should open the settings application and here tap on the connection and sharing section. Now just scroll a little bit more down and here you will see the NFC section. Just to enable NFC on your device, tap once here on the switcher and that's it. And if you just got turn on this option and you want to turn it off, tap just here once again and that's it. And also we got the another way how we can do that. Just should open the notification bar and here find the NFC icon. In my case, you can see that's the last one. And just to enable the NFC, tap here once on the icon will in blue color, and that means that you just enable the NFC on your device. And just to turn it off, tap here again on this icon and that's it. So that's really simple, as can you see. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.